Hi, in this video I will show you how to successfully get the pro version of the StyleMilk Themes plugins and manage your StyleMilk Themes account. First, go to stylmilkthemes.com, which is our main website. Here you can see the amazing products of our company, premium WordPress themes and plugins. I really recommend you give them a try because I believe that they are the best ones out there. If you click on one of the plugins, a special website of the plugin will be opened. Here you can check all the great features and capabilities of the plugin. There is an availability to experience a live demo and sandbox. After trying it here, I bet you will decide to buy it. So, how can we get a pro version? It's quite easy and straightforward. Click on the Get Now button. Choose the best plan that fits your business. In the Open a pop-up window, indicate the number of websites you want to use the plugin. Then choose Annual or Lifetime. Indicate your email address, first and last name. Be careful to indicate your email address because after the purchasement, pro version of the plugin and the license key will be sent to it. Next, select the convenient payment method and fill the needed fields. If you have a promo code, indicate it here. For instance, I will buy the product with a promo now. We are done. Let's review and submit it. After that, email with order details and your password will be sent to your email address. Let's go and check it. Here you can see the email with our order details. So you are welcome to upload a zip version of the Pro plugin to your WordPress, then activate it using a special key. Sometimes, due to several unexpected reasons, email may not be visible in your email. Firstly, check your spam folder. If it's empty, go back to stylmilkthemes.com website. Go to My Account. Click on Dashboard Only. There is an option called Never Received Your Password. Click on it. Indicate your email that you have used to purchase the plugin, then a new email will be sent with login info. Check your email again and in the email click on Reset Password. Set a new password to your account, then sign in. In the download section, all of your purchased plugins will be displayed. You can download them from here. A license key can be copied from here as well. If you are using Safari web browser, do not forget to disable auto extraction settings. Now, let's install Cost Calculator Builder to our website. First, we need to add the free version of the plugin. Search for Cost Calculator Builder and activate it. As you see, to feel the full power of the Cost Calculator, we need a pro version. Go back to plugins and add a new one. Upload the zip version of the Pro plugin that you have downloaded. Enter the license key. See, it is very easy. We are done. I hope you will like our premium plugins and themes. Do not forget to put your thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.